Yu'e Bao's holdings hit 1.43 trillion yuan in June, almost doubling the fund's size in just half a year. Most put the shocking growth down to Yu'e Bao's 4% 7-day annualized return rate, which continues to handily beat interest rates offered by traditional banks. According to research firm Wand, there are over 270 money market funds in China similar to Yu'e Bao, with 7-day annualized return rates of over 4%. 5 of them are even offering return rates of over 5%. While people may prefer the higher interest rates of an online fund, experts say the rising popularity of Yu'e Bao and others is not really affecting banks' overall liquidity.
Individual savings in banks may fall as people put some of their money in Yu'e Bao, but Yu'e Bao then also uses the money for investment. Over half of the money in Yu'e Bao has gone to the company's savings, and the rest may go to purchase other funds and bonds, and those will also come back to banks at the end.
Online money funds' high returns still come at a cost to the banks, however, as they now have to pay higher interest rates for the money from those funds. They also have had to raise their interest rates paid on some wealth management products to attract customers. Does this mean that the online money funds are undermining the banks? Probably not just yet.
The balance of the Yu'e Bao is 1.43 trillion RMBs. The total amount of deposit, including the checking account and deposit, saving account, is 151 trillion. So it is just 1% of the total deposit. Okay? So it may have some psychological effect, but not a real impact, because amount out of this 1.43 trillion, lots of money, they are under the bed. Okay, they're not in the bank. Okay, it's not like a transfer. People move that deposit from the bank to the Yu'e Bao.
Yu'e Bao also recently adjusted down the cap on how much money any one individual can deposit, from 1 million yuan to only 250,000. Professor Ray says that move was Yu'e Bao's response to concerns from the banks about the increasingly tough competition they face from online funds. Xu Xinchen, ICS for CGTN, Shanghai.